도시인데 가리는 거기에 내 나살로 소바 여봐 랑 생命동해 여봐 르르 나사 여봐 디스 당시 거기에 다송 삼百钱은 거기에 섬등이는 가리는 거기에 샤바체 어떤데 제발 때네 도스 다 토그래 나를 때는 거기에 랭게 마사바이는 파 샤바체 파 다바체 레 섬부 사바이는 이게 거기에 겨와 조장은 뭐 제바이는 때네 가리는 거기에 팬도 자침부지 용토그래.
The great protector says to us, whatever sickness you have in your body now, whatever sickness you are afraid of, whatever problems come from your environment, do not think you cannot overcome them. Do your sadhana, do your confession. Shakpa is confessions. Confessions can be 35 confessional Buddhas, it can be Vajrasattva, or it can be Kangsha. If you do your confessions, the negative karma that gives you sickness, obstacles, will definitely go away, will definitely be purified if you do these practices. And you will see the obstacles you have in KFR disappear and become less and less and less, and more support will come if the members do confessions, purify the karma, and do not collect more negative karma. Harmony. Harmony. If you do this, you will see what you want to accomplish here easier and easier and easier. And even the sickness of your body will become healed. He just said that now.